cricket. Is there anything that you guys want to get at?
How you select this your career in cricket only?
I didn't select myself. I mean, I was always a cricket fan since I was kid. There was only one thing we used to watch when we were young, and that was only cricket. So, and cricket was in the family. My dad used to play, not at highest level, but he used to play cricket. So we always used to talk about cricket. So that was the only sport which was the most talked about sport in our country. So, I mean, it gave me all the more reason to go and, experience it myself.
रोहित जी, मैं 1975 से क्रिकेट को फॉलो करता हूं। मुझे केवल पूछना है कि क्रिकेट का जो परिश्रम ज्यादा महत्व रखता है कि भाग्य ज्यादा महत्व रखता है?
नहीं, परिश्रम बहुत जरूरी है और साथ साथ आपको अपने गेम में काफी डिसिप्लिन भी रखना पड़ता है, क्योंकि आप जब इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेलते हो तो चैलेंजेस बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं। अगर आपको कुछ लेवल पे पहुंचना है, अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है, तो आपको साथ में डिसिप्लिन भी रखना बहुत जरूरी है। आपके काम पे फोकस करना, आप जो मेहनत कर रहे हो, फिटनेस, अपने स्किल पे मेहनत कर रहे हो, ये सब चीज में डिसिप्लिन रखना बहुत जरूरी है। तो आई थिंक मैं कंपेयर नहीं करूंगा। अभी सबको पता ही है कि आगे बढ़ने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, और सचिन तेंदुलकर जी ने जो किया है वो हमारे लिए, हम जैसे यंगस्टरों के लिए बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है। तो हम उनका ही क्रिकेट फॉलो करते आए इतने सालों से। और बचपन में भी एक उनका बुक हुआ करता था, द मेकिंग ऑफ क्रिकेटर, वो उनका बुक था। और उनके बुक में उन्होंने पूरा लिखा हुआ था कि वो 12 साल के थे तब से लेके इंडियन टीम में आने तक उन्होंने किस तरीके से मेहनत किया। तो हमारे लिए वो एक बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन था, वो बुक पढ़ना और वो बुक में क्या क्या लिखा है उन्होंने। तो हम बस, और तेंदुलकर जी है भी मुंबई के, मैं भी मुंबई का हूँ, तो साथ में अच्छा वो बन के अच्छा चल रहा था।
What is your take-home message for us Indians, young Indians, Mumbai Indians?
Message is very simple: keep supporting your favorite team, and we will not disappoint you. Indian team first, and then Mumbai.
My question to you is, how do you see yourself professionally a few years down the line, and also we look forward to it?
Yes, see, I mean, those are the big two stalwarts of Indian cricket. Their achievements and what they brought to our country will never be forgotten. So what they have done, is unmatched, or it's unparalleled. I think it will always be with us, and that is something which is very inspiring to all of us as well. But as a cricketer, for me, the biggest challenge is, to go outside and bring the cup back home. That is the biggest challenge for me, and that is something that I look forward to all the time. And yes, and that is something which we've learned from all these great names which you just spoke about. There's someone who have done it in the past. They've played in Chelsea.
And now coming to the conclusion, where we saw umpteen number of doctors from all around the nation and Hyatt Regency Mumbai, where the doctors have won awards and have also promised to serve us in a more better manner. Thank you.
And keep long-term goals, because I personally feel that it doesn't help. I want to keep short-term goals. So short-term goals for me is, what is coming in the next 2 months. I want to focus on that, so I can fully give my more than 100% to it. If I think too far ahead, 3 years down the line or 2 years down the line, we're playing to World Cup in 2 years' time, 2019. So it won't be right if I think about 2019 World Cup. It is important for me. In 3 days' time, we are going to Sri Lanka to play Test series, one-day series. So it's important for me to focus on that, and that really helps me. If I keep short-term goals, it really helps me. So I'll try and do that.
I am a practicing the heart surgeon since the last 20 years, and what I believe is that fitness means for me actually 60% of fitness should come from weight training, and 40% of your fitness should come from cardio. We have been following up cricket for the last 40 years, and what I have seen is that the number of the boundaries and all, they are rising exponentially nowadays. What do you say is the contribution of your weight, your training to these, your higher scores, your higher number of, your boundaries, your sixers and all those things?
It's the mixture of everything. You can't focus on one particular thing. it has to go hand in hand. Your cardio, your weight training, your aerobic training, everything has to go hand in hand to get the best on the field. So I think for us, we've been educated on that front by all our trainers and physios that it's just not about building biceps or having those six packs. It's about having a stronger legs also to run. Because for us, the most important thing is to run. Not everyone is Chris Gayle, so we have to take singles also and run between the wickets very hard. So it's about everything. It's about everything. So that's what we've been told, and we try and follow that. And that is something which I would like to tell youngsters also. Like, just do not focus on one particular aspect. You focus on everything, and you will get the maximum results.
केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, हम हैं अच्छी सेहत की आवाज।
केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी लोगों को स्वस्थ बनाने में बहुत अच्छा कार्य कर रहा है।
इस चैनल से आप जरूर जुड़े रहिए।
देश को और सेहतमंद बनाने में जो केयर वर्ल्ड काम कर रहा है, ऐसे ही करता रहे।
हम हैं केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, आपकी सेहत का चैनल, क्योंकि सेहत है तो सब कुछ है। केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, हम हैं अच्छी सेहत की आवाज।
केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, इट्स एन एक्सीलेंट चैनल।
केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी को जरूर देखिए।
अप्रिशिएट एंड आई लाइक दिस केयर वर्ल्ड।
मैं हमेशा देखता हूँ।
मैं भी रोज देखता हूँ।
हम हैं केयर वर्ल्ड टीवी, आपकी सेहत का चैनल, क्योंकि सेहत है तो सब कुछ है।
Least liked person in this room, but I will have to say no, sir. I'm really sorry. But what we could do is, after the event, you could take the same questions offline with Mr. Sharma if he still has time. But on stage right now, I'm so sorry. I'm very hard pressed on time. Now we've already started the event. We've enough positivity going on. Talk about cricket and positivity is there. But we'd still like to have a little ceremony of lighting the lamp with Mr. Rohit Sharma, his very pretty wife, Mrs. Ritika, and our Vice President, Mrs. Pooja right here from Time Cyber Media. Thank you so much. And thank you, Rohit, for sharing all the information. Now, we've already spoken about how important health is. Cricketer or not a cricketer, we all have come around understanding that how your untiring efforts have made it possible for us to have a great health. So time to celebrate just that. We will be starting our award ceremony with that. Time for a first award category. The award for Best Dermatologist in Bhopal, Dr. Yogesh Walecha. And for that, can I please have Mrs. Pooja and Mr. Rohit Sharma on stage with us? Our first awardee for the night, Dr. Yogesh Walecha, from the director of Dermazone Skin Clinic. Dr. Yogesh Walecha has been providing his services for more than 12 years at his clinic at MP Nagar in Bhopal. The next award for Best Upcoming Cosmetic and Plastic Surgeon in Bhubaneswar goes to Dr. Lakshmi Kant Mishra, the Managing Director of Saundarya Cosmetic Surgeries Clinic. He has hands-on experience in hair transplant surgery, breast and cosmetic surgery. The award for Most Promising interventional cardiologist in Hyderabad goes to Dr. Pawan Poddar. Dr. Pawan Poddar is the director of Dermazone Skin Clinic. Dr. Poddar is an acute clinician and also very skilled interventional cardiologist. Our award for most promising wellness service provider company in Gujarat goes to the Scientific Healthcare and Wellness Services. Can I please have Dr. Kalpesh Malik from the Scientific Healthcare and Wellness Services? We also have someone else accompanying him today. Thank you guys, what a lovely couple. Please keep doing the good work. Congratulations on that. The award for the best laser clinic, skin and hair in Maharashtra goes to Dr. Richa's Unique Clinic. Can I please have Dr. Richa R. Jain from Richa's Unique Clinic here on stage? For Unique Clinic, it's only one clinic in Vidarbha. Those provide complete advanced machine, laser and international product treatments in central India. The award for most innovative yoga and naturopathy center in Kerala goes to Patanjali Yoga Research Center and Charitable Trust. Many congratulations to you, sir. Thank you, sir. Our next award for most promising homeopathy center in Mumbai goes to Global Homeopathy. Can I please have Dr. Bhavish Acharya and Dr. Prabha Acharya on stage from Govardhan Homeopathy to receive ISO 9001:2015 certification for the same, working stringently and continuously on quality. Our next award for the best hair transplant and cosmetic surgery center in UP goes to Saraswat Hospital. Can we please have Dr. Satya Saraswat from the Saraswat Hospital here? Saraswat Hospital has been premier in catering to the needs of state of entire Uttar Pradesh and adjoining states and even international patients in the field of cosmetic surgery and hair transplant. Our next award category is for the best physiotherapist in Mumbai, and the award goes to Dr. Masuma. Dr. Masuma is a young, qualified, passionate physiotherapist who aims at turning setbacks into comebacks. She is certified in various techniques like dry needling, cupping, chiropractic and dynamic taping, etc. Our next award for Best Emerging Hair Transplant Center in Delhi NCR goes to AKS Clinic. AKS Clinic is among prestigious institute for dermatology and psychology training in India. The next category of award, the award for Best ENT Specialist in Chhattisgarh goes to Dr. Anuj Jalkar. The award for Best Upcoming IVF and Women Infertility Hospital of Gujarat goes to Sneh Hospital. Can I please have Dr. Nisarg Dharaiya from the Sneh Hospital? Sneh Hospital, an IVF center, aims to bring to its patients the best and the latest treatments available in the present era with superior standards at affordable rates. What better we could ask for? The award for the most promising interventional pediatric cardiologist of MP goes to Dr. Ravi Ranjan Tripathi. First interventional pediatric cardiologist in MP has performed more than 500 successful transcatheter interventions in children with heart defects, organized many free cardiac camps in small districts to screen children for congenital heart defects. Thank you and please keep doing the good work. For Best Upcoming Super Speciality Heart and Diabetes Clinic in Mumbai, and the award goes to Good Health Super Speciality Clinic. Singh, IVF Specialist of the Year 2017 from Punjab, goes to Dr. Rimi Singla. The award for most promising surgeon for women's health in Gujarat goes to Dr. Nisarg Dharaiya. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dr. Nisarg. Our next award for Best Beauty and Fitness Center in Telangana goes to Tone Fitness. Can I please have Mr. Vinod Kumar Mane and Hanumant Rao Fernandi and Padma Rao Fernandi from Tone Fitness. Congratulations, guys. Tone Fitness, an ultra modern advanced fitness studio, is ISO certified company. Our award for most promising dietitian in Mumbai goes to dietitian Sarika Nair. Ladies and gentlemen, dietitian Sarika Nair is a very passionate person about health and loves to help people about healthy and how to go about the right way. Thank you so much. Congratulations, doctor. Next award for the best physiotherapist in UP. And this one goes to Dr. Amit Chikara. He's got 17 years of experience in clinical practice of physiotherapy. During this period, near about 50,000 patients have been treated in various fields like ortho, neuro, pediatric, chest and surgical conditions. Now the award for the best oncosurgeon in Maharashtra. And the award goes to Dr. Amol Dumbre. Dr. Amol is working consultant oncosurgeon at UB Hall Clinic, Pune and Noble Hospital, Pune. Our next award for most innovative IVF center in Eastern India goes to Maternity Care Hospital and IVF Center. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Saudamini Mohapatra from Maternity Care Hospital and IVF Center. Maternity Care Hospital was founded in the year 1988 by Dr. Saudamini Mohapatra and Mr. Sangram Keshri Mohapatra. It has been committed to providing top-notch healthcare services to women since its inception. The award for most innovative IVF center of North India goes to MedAge Infertility Center and Gynae Solutions. Ladies and gentlemen, I would have a lot of pleasure in calling upon Dr. Syed Sajjad Hussain on stage on behalf of Mufti Halima Nabi, proprietor of MedAge Infertility Center and Gynae Solutions. The next award for Best Upcoming Gynecologist in Central India goes to Dr. Namrata Singh. Can I please call upon Dr. Namrata on stage to receive her award? Many congratulations to you, ma'am. Our next award for the top leading cosmetic surgeon of South India goes to Dr. Sahib Gaura Shetty, who worked as an assistant professor in surgery, following which he joined a course in plastic surgery in Mumbai. The award for most promising neurologist in Central India goes to Dr. Jasbir Singh Katpal. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Jasbir Singh Katpal has been the HOD of Chopram Hospital and Research Center in Indore. The next award for Best Infertility Consultant in North India goes to Dr. Iqbal Singh Ahuja. The next award for the day for the Best Emerging Medical Equipment Company in Central India goes to Inline Medicare. The brand name of Inline Medicare speaks itself about the philosophy of the company. neurosurgery and skull-based neurosurgery consultant in West India goes to Dr. Pramod Janardhan Giri. Dr. Pramod is the director of Neuron, Brain, Spine and Physical Care Center, doing almost 180 to 200 neurosurgeries per month. The award for youngest acupuncture consultant in South India goes to Dr. S.N. Jha. The next award for most promising IVF and ICSI expert of North India goes to Dr. Syed Sajjad Hussain. Award for leading cardiac surgeon of India goes to Dr. Anil R. Jain. With over 2 decades of experience in the field of cardiovascular and thoracic surgery, he's formed a group named Heart Care Associates and has performed over 25,000 procedures in the past 2 decades in various hospitals. Our next award for the most promising urologist of India goes to Dr. Bajpai Rajesh Raj. Can I please have Dr. Raj here on stage with us? Congratulations to you, sir. He is a urologist of repute, practicing for more than a decade and has performed more than 50,000 surgeries. Our next award for most promising hematology center in India goes to Lotus Institute of Hematology and Oncology. Can I please call on stage Dr. Pritesh Junagare from Lotus Institute of Hematology and Oncology to receive the award. The award for most promising acupuncture specialist in India goes to Dr. Durga Nanja. Can I please have Dr. Durga Nanja with us on stage here? Congratulations, sir. The award for most promising cardiovascular thoracic surgeon of India goes to Dr. A. Nagesh. Can I please have Dr. Nagesh on stage? He's one of the leading cardiac surgeons from Hyderabad. He's an expert in beating heart, cardiac surgery, total arterial revascularization, minimal invasive cardiac surgery, and is heading the heart transplantation program. The award for the best healthcare satellite TV in India goes to Care World TV. And can I please have Dr. Sir Atul Saraf, CMD, Care World TV on stage with us. Our next award for the most promising Uro-Oncologist of India year 2017 goes to Dr. Raghunath S.K. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Raghunath. He has completed his fellowship in Uro-Oncology from Delhi and fellowship in laparoscopic and robotic urology after completing MBBS, MS and DNB in urology. Dr. Raghunath has conducted more than 16 clinical trials as principal investigator in 12 and 12 co-investigated in the field of prostate cancer and renal cancers. The award for Best Neurologist in India for the year 2017 goes to Professor Dr. Vinay Karak. Professor Dr. Vinay Karak, an internationally known eminent, he is the sole neurologist in India to have the honor of fellow from all 4 Royal Colleges of Physicians of Glasgow, Edinburgh, Ireland and London. The next award for most promising interventional cardiologist and cardiac transplant physician in the year 2017 goes to Dr. Sudhakar Mantravadi. Can I please have on stage Dr. Sudhakar? He's the Chief Cardiac Transplant Physician and Cardiologist in Hyderabad Global Hospital. He's performed around 8,000 angioplasty procedures and devices for heart failure patients. award for the most innovative urologist of the year 2017 goes to Dr. Ravish IR. Please welcome Dr. Ravish on stage. He did his MBBS and MS General Surgery in KSS Medical. He's worked in Columbus, Ohio, USA, and JNMC down. Currently, he's working as lead consultant urologist in Access CMI Hospital, Bangalore. Can I please take a moment now to thank our partners, our associates, and the entire team for the tremendous support to help us plan and organize this event. We look for bigger, better opportunities to take the relationship to the next level. A special thanks to our guest, Rohit Sharma, and the wife to be here today with us and extend their support to the healthcare industry. This is the time that you guys have been waiting for. I would like to call all the winners on stage for a group photo.